Stop begging big banks for capital. Today, I'm showing you how a simple $10 donation unlocks a backdoor to $250,000 at Chartway Credit Union, regardless of what state you live in. All right, guys, let's get to the money. I'm Marvin Smith, and welcome back to the channel. You guys asked for the business side of these credit unions, and Chartway is at the top of the stack. First, we're going for the business Visa rewards. This card goes up to $35,000 with zero documentation as long as you got a great credit score. But here's the trick. We aren't stopping there. You're going to pair that with their personal high limit card that goes up to $35,000 and a personal loan. Now you're already sitting on nearly $100,000 in total credit without ever showing a single tax return. Now, $100,000 is great for a start, but if you want to scale to that $250,000 mark, you need to know the full doc rules. If you aren't ready for tax returns yet, stick with me because I'm about to show you how to get ready. Most people fail because they try to jump straight into business funding. At Chartway, your personal membership is the bridge to the business funding. That $10 donation to the We Promise Foundation, that's your ticket in. Once you're in personally, your LLC can become VIP. This is how you bypass the strict lending caps that most entrepreneurs, they get stopped on. Think you need some collateral for a line of credit? Guys, I want you to think again. In 90 seconds, I'm breaking down the unsecured business line that doesn't require your house as backup collateral. Okay, let's talk about the big numbers. Chartway offers an unsecured business line of credit up to $50,000. Now, to get this, your business needs to be established for at least 2 years. And okay, let me stop for a second. For my credit nerds, they pull Equifax and check systems for personal and business products. Your credit score can start at 660 to get approved. Guys, think about that. That's kind of low for most credit unions. And that Equifax report, it actually stays active for 90 days. That's how you can credit stack without a bunch of inquiries. They want to see that you've survived the startup phase. So you're going to need at least 1 year of tax returns and have a good debt service coverage ratio. That's what we call the 1.25 DSCR. Essentially, for every dollar of debt, they want to see $1.25 in profit. You do the math on that. But what if you need a fleet of trucks or heavy machinery? Chartway has a specific vault for that. Let's look at the $150,000 equipment loan. This is where we hit that total of $250,000. Guys, think about this. Look, you take your $100,000 in cards and personal loans and add that up with $150,000 in equipment or a commercial vehicle loan like a semi truck or a dump truck. Look, this is perfect for logistics, construction, or even medical equipment. And they want 2 years of business history. So keep that in mind because they're looking for stability. And if you provide that, guess what? They're going to provide that check for you. So let's talk about your taxes. Is your paperwork a mess? Don't let a sloppy tax return cost you over $250,000 because you want to write everything off. Look, I got a solution for that in a second. But look, I know the 1.25 DSCR and tax requirements sound like a whole different language, right? But that's why we do our business strategy calls. And let me give you guys a pro tip. As a business owner, you can't write off everything and show a loss and expect to borrow 6 figures in funding. I'm just telling you, that doesn't add up and it's not going to work. So for all you business owners that have 700 credit scores, 2 years in history, and you really want to scale, I want you to hear about our fundability formula. Look, on a one-on-one Zoom call that we have, guys, I want you to realize we don't just give you the name of the bank because that's what everybody calls me for, Marvin, which is the perfect bank for me, which is the best credit union for me. It's not about that. What we help you do is build the profile that is fundable. So before you try to jump on this call, I'm giving you an invitation, but you have to make sure you have certain requirements. You must have a 700 credit score and you must be in business 2 years because that's the score where we really can help you credit stack. And I want you to get on our calendar so we can help you build a funding roadmap together for those of you who are serious about scaling in 2026. So if you're tired of the no and you ready to get a yes for that $250,000, I want you to drop ready in the comments right now. And I'm going to make sure me or my team, we're going to get in touch with you guys, and we're going to invite you to a business strategy call. And we're looking for the people who are serious about building their legacy this year. Look, I know it sounds weird, but you can use debt to help you build a legacy. And wait, so you're probably thinking, all right, Marvin, my score is not at 700. So what if you're stuck at 580 or, under 500? I don't want you guys to give up. Absolutely not. If you're sitting at 580 and you have some bruises on your credit report, Chartway Federal Credit Union might be the goal, but we need a starting point. You need to build that foundation first. Guys, I'm gonna make sure I pin some videos up here that you can watch to repair your credit. If you need credit repair, we have an AI that can help you repair your credit. This can help you build that foundation to get your financial life back. And guys, I want you to remember this. If you're in the middle of credit repair, not only do you need to get rid of the negative items, you need to build credit first. Like we have credit unions called Forterra. They can help you get a secure card. You can go to Navy Federal. You can go to Service Credit Union. Set up a secure card so while you're getting rid of the negative items, you're able to build credit at the same time. If you do that for 90 days, you're going to see a significant difference in your credit score. And focus on cleaning up the data points that these credit unions are looking for. Once you show them stability, low inquiries, and on-time payments, that's when they're going to open the vault and give you an unsecured card. Remember, a secured card is only good for 6 to 12 months. After that, you want to graduate to unsecured. So if you're in the 580 range and you need a credit union that's more flexible right now, you need to watch my video from this past Thursday. I'm going to show you exactly which institution approves you up to $50,000 for bad credit. And remember, you're going to start with a secured card. You're going to work with the AI to clean up your credit. And guys, it's right here on the screen. Click this video to watch the credit union that approves you for up to $50,000 for a 580 credit score. And I'll see you over there. And remember, let's get to the money. And we're here to help empower your finances.
Hi, my name is Sheila.
Hello, my name is Rachel.
My name is Tradarius.
And I just want to let you all know how easy and fun it was to do business with Marvin and Gloria.
And we are starting a food truck business. We needed the capital for our business, so Marvin and Gloria helped us raise $50,000.
I got approved for $50,000 in one inquiry.
Yeah, it was a super easy, quick and easy process. It only took like 3 to 4 business days to get done, and it went quicker than what I thought it would.
So, and with no interest for 12 months. I mean, it was like in 2 days, I was approved for $50,000.
So I highly suggest y'all shop with them. So contact them if y'all want funding, and a quick and easy process to get it done. So yeah.
Work smarter, not harder.
I suggest you highly, if you're looking for any funding, I highly recommend Marvin and Gloria.